Ever pondered about the true essence of judicial independence and why it matters in a democratic society? It's a profound question that requires a deep dive into the intricacies of justice systems worldwide. Imagine a society where the judiciary, the guardian of justice, is under the influence of political pressure. A real-life case study is the situation in some South American countries where judges face overt and subtle political pressure from government officials, political parties, and interest groups. They attempt to influence the outcomes of rulings, thereby threatening the impartiality of the judiciary. Now consider the concept of security of tenure. In some African countries, judges are under constant threat of removal or reassignment by the executive or legislature. These threats usually materialize when their decisions contradict the interests of those in power. This fear of losing their positions compromises the independence of judges, as they are inclined to rule in favor of the power holders. Financial autonomy, or the lack thereof, poses another challenge to judicial independence. In some Asian jurisdictions, judicial budgets and salaries are controlled by the executive or legislature. This control serves as an indirect form of pressure on judges. For instance, an unfavorable ruling might lead to a reduction in the judiciary's funding, subtly coercing judges into ruling favorably for those controlling the purse strings. Finally, let's cast our gaze on the imbalance of power. In some Eastern European countries, the executive or legislature exerts undue influence over the judiciary. This imbalance threatens the core idea of judicial independence, eroding the judiciary's ability to act as a check on the power of the other branches of government. In summary, judicial independence is a cornerstone of a democratic society. However, it faces significant challenges such as political pressure, threats to the security of tenure, lack of financial autonomy, and an imbalance of power. These issues can lead to the erosion of judicial independence, thereby threatening the very fabric of democracy. It is therefore crucial for societies worldwide to acknowledge these challenges and strive to create a truly independent and autonomous judiciary, a judiciary that is free from influence, fear, and favor, and one that upholds the rule of law and protects citizens' rights.